think there is a gap between traditional medicine and surgery, bariatric surgery, because some patient, I think, don't want the bariatric surgery, but some patient also don't have a good result with traditional medicine for treating obesity and diabetes. So this Tangji medical device, I think, is a revolutionary device that perfectly fill the gap between these two options for the patient. The most attractive innovation of this product is the concept of non-invasive. So complication rate is also lower. And usually patient recover faster, discharge only 1 day, the next after the surgery. And also the good things about the device is it's completely reversibility. And then the patient can have the stent removed after a few months. So this provides the patient with flexibility and for the patient who need only solution for the short term. And then also this device is, the best part of this device is it mimic the gastric bypass surgery. With this device we can achieve the rerouting of the food from the duodenum and foods reach earlier into the distal intestine. So this mechanism effectively reduce the weight loss and then cause metabolic regulation. So this device, I think, is really helpful for patients with diabetes type 2. As we know, Indonesia is a large country with a large population, and many patients suffer from obesity and diabetes type 2. So this device is really effective for patient who needs the treatment, but the patient lack of surgical indication. Some patient also fear of the surgery and concern about the complication after surgery. This technology bring this patient hope for treating their problems. And for the healthcare system, I think by having this device in Indonesia means that we can have the metabolic disease treatment for people in Indonesia, and we also can raising the nation level of care, because this simple technology can help patient to access this advanced treatment locally in our country. I'm lucky to be the first Indonesian doctors that can have this opportunity to get trained in China, because this training is not only boost my experience, but the training is also really helpful for me to use it in my country, because this training not only covered the technique, but it cover whole from the pre-operative, patient selection, and how to handle the complication. And this solid training really good for create a good foundation for me to have a standardized and regular clinical pathway to do this kind of treatment. And I also really helpful by the valuable pioneer experience from the expert in China, which show how to deal with this technique and then how to use it with the international standard. So I think by have this mentoring and training, I can reduce the learning curve, and then I can do it safely in Indonesia. I feel extremely honored and excited that this is not only a successful procedure for the first time in Indonesia, but also start a new chapter in the interventional metabolic disease treatment in Indonesia. The operation went smoothly and the patient tolerated it well, and it also provides the safety and feasibility of this technology in Indonesia. My advice for people, doctors who want to use this product, I think teamwork is crucial. we need to multidisciplinary team because no matter how good our placement of the device, but it's only the beginning. Ongoing follow-up, nutrition support, and lifestyle guidance for the patient is really important for the key success for the good weight loss and treat the diabetes.